Hey guys, I have these 3 packages that I need to open for the Smart Dolls, and since one is from Macari, I need to go ahead and get it open sooner than later so the seller can get paid. So I partially opened this package since it was the Macari package, and inside is a pair of Smart Doll eyes that were available. So I decided to just get them because I don't usually see eyes available, and I like the color, so I just decided to get them. So here they are. They're supposed to be, I think, charcoal gray anime eyes. So I was thinking of possibly putting these in the blue interstellar, not stellar, but anyway, the blue girl, who I name Kasima. So I was gonna put these in her, but I'm kind of nervous, so we'll see how that goes. There we go, Interstellar, I think. I don't know, you guys. This I think is the name. Never mind, it's been opened. Okay, hopefully what I paid for, okay, it's still in here. I did not even notice that this has been cut open. Wow, okay. So these are the name necklaces that I got for, here's Mirage. Can't really see it too well. Nope, still can't see it. Oh, goodness. There we go. So there's Mirage. There's purses. You can see it. So I got those for the girls. I'll need to order one for Kasima, and then everyone will have their name. And now we have this box. This was a live doll auction that I ended up winning, and I thought this would be cute for Persia. So, get this open. It's just a little bear. I try to have a bear for all the girls. So this is going to be Persia's bear. So, got that. That's it for today's unboxing. I'm hoping to get a few more things in later in the week or over the weekend. So when I get more stuff in, I'll definitely show it to you guys. Hey guys, here's our first Smart Doll goodie unboxing for the month of May. We are only, let's see what's today. We're only 6 days in, and we have all these packages to unbox. I'm expecting, I think, 2 more today, so that'll probably be on the second video. But let's get these open. There's Neo and Apollo. And I need some scissors. So we have these to open up. We have a new doll that is on her way. I was able to order a painted head from, or a Chaos painted head. So we're waiting for that. That should get here on Monday. So we have a few things coming up, but let's get these things open. So I went ahead and opened this early. I had to see what it looked like. It was so pretty on the picture. So I opened that first. So let me get this situated. Okay, here we go. And of course, I will link everything in the description. So we got this really pretty sweater. I loved it when I saw it. The colors are so pretty. So we tried this on a few days ago, and Kasima was the lucky girl who got to wear it. So we got this. This is the second part of the package. This was a cute skirt with suspenders. So I was thinking that Persia might be the lucky girl who gets to wear this. I have a basic white shirt to go underneath it, so she can wear this. But I'm loving the colors. So we have that for Persia. Let's see, I don't know what this is, but it says cut here. We'll cut here. Let me see what's in here. One of these special packages. Let's so that open it. That didn't open it either. I hate packages like this. I think it's like shrink wrapped or it's not a normal package. Here we go. I don't even know what's in here. Oh, that's what's in here. They could have done another job, but let's get this open. These are a pair of cat ears, but they're also headphones. So I decided to get these and try them out. So we got that. I don't know what this is. I don't know what a lot of this stuff is. I order so much for the girls. Let's see what this is. Oh, this is what I ordered from Macari. Had to get these when I saw them. They are Turquoise Ugg Boots. You guys know turquoise is my favorite color, so I had to get these for the girls. So this was a Macari order, so I have to give them a review. Oh, maybe Persia might wear these with the new skirt. Maybe. And this is also a Macari order. It's a shirt that I've never seen before. It says Smart Doll, so I bought it. a smart doll. Let's see if I can. There we go. So it's a little dingy. I'm gonna see if some OxyClean can brighten it a little bit. It's a cute little top. So that's everything, you guys. We'll have more stuff coming up later on this week. We have a doll, we have the chaos head, so lots of goodies. So, see you guys later.